This is how dams are built. Dams are built to block the flow of water, creating a reservoir behind the dam that can be used for flood control, as well as irrigation, municipal water supply, and other human activities. Inspired by a recent news story of dam failure in California, this blog looks at how dams have historically been constructed in the last 100 years. Building a dam is a complex, multi-step process that requires huge amounts of manpower, raw materials, and investment. Here are the basic steps to building a gravity dam, the most common type of dam that we build. Gravity dams are so named because they are held to the ground by gravity, they weigh a lot, and are typically made from concrete or stone. Engineers must dewater the river where the dam is meant to be built. This is done by diverting the river through a tunnel that runs around the intended construction zone. Tunnels like this may be lined with concrete and are usually dug out using a combination of drilling and explosives. Dam construction must be started when river levels are low. A small dam called a Coffer Dam is built upstream of the construction zone to help funnel water into the diversion tunnel. A coffer dam may be built downstream as well, but the overall goal is to keep the construction zone dry so that the main dam can be built. Pumps may be used to remove water that penetrates the cofferdam. Loose rock is removed from the riverbed, and a plinth must be constructed. A plinth is a concrete foundation for the dam that embeds it in the walls and floor of the riverbed valley. This prevents water from leaking at the edges of the dam. Now, it's time to build the dam to its desired height. A concave curved downstream surface for a dam helps it absorb the constant pressure of water that it must endure. Reinforced steel is used for the surfaces of the dam itself, and an enclosure is built. The enclosure is filled with concrete to make it extremely strong and resilient against water flow.